I'm Anna Vanila and welcome to my channel. Thank you for visiting me, subscribing and sharing your comments with me and likes. So thank you very much for that. Now it is a try-on haul with the same pattern, the same garment, but just in the rose tone, rose color. I hope you like it. It's made of silk. It's with a lace trim here, butterfly wings on both sides, symmetrical and very long. I hope you like it. It is also from Los Angeles and I hope you like it. Please leave a comments below and tell me if you like this dress, if you think it's sexy. I received it a couple of years ago and it's still new, so yeah, never worn. Thank you for watching my videos and subscribing. I love it. I think it's sexy and you can move a lot in this dress. It's a lovely night dress, in fact, in my opinion. It's slippery, it feels nice on your body, makes you move, makes you want to move in it and dance slightly. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Love you. A kiss for you all.